Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the door is finally fixed. Everything is fixed on the car. I'm just going to do a little walk around. Yeah. I still need to fix the little scuff on the bumper, or just get a new bumper altogether. But everything is set and fixed. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the car. I got my stuff in here, but everything is all good. I'm going to put, open the sunroof, moonroof, or whatever you want to call it. See how massive that sunroof is. Nice. Open this door. Again, I got my stuff in the car. Got things in here. Gonna have to clean up the car a little bit. It's a little dirty. Everything is good. Headliner good. Everything else is good in here. The trunk is pretty messy. Got some nonsense in here that I need to get rid of. Alright everybody, I'm going to take you guys out for a little drive real quick. There we go. I haven't done any POV drives videos, so I think this is the time to take you guys out for a little drive and tell you how the car drives. There we go. Drop anything? No, I did not. Well, doesn't matter which way I go. Okay. Okay. Pick another location. If you guys want to know how the car drives, it drives pretty smooth. I no longer have that tight steering feel since everything on the car has been repaired and fixed. Well, 99% of everything. Not 100%. Need to back up. Get way across the line. The last time I showed you guys the car, it was kind of dirty, it wasn't clean, but I just took the car to a car wash. Still some stuff that needs to be cleaned out, but I plasti dipped the wheels, you know, it looks a little cleaner. We come over here, same thing with this wheel. This is the back. Still got water dripping off. I just took it from the car wash. This is something that needs to be, I need to take care of this here too. These little blemishes in the car, the bumper scratches I need to take care of. These thingies, I can't even think straight right now, but I need to replace that. Again, I just washed the car, but the people who dried off the car didn't do a good job at it, so there's still a little bit of splash. This wheel, everything else is fine. There's a bit of a few scratches on the hood right here, you know, but overall everything is good. I think I already showed the inside. I got my stuff in here, so if you don't like it, it's a little bit messy because I'm in the car most of the time, so The front bumper is fine. A little bit of scuff right there. This is fine as well. I forgot to wipe this down. And that's basically it for like cosmetic issues with the car. Car is in great condition. The engine is running fine. When we look at the dash here, the only light I got on is the tire pressure light, and the windshield washer fluid is low. I believe that's what that is. Yeah. No check engine light, nothing like that. No mechanical issues. Everything has been fixed. I told you guys I put 10 grand, man, into this car. I bought it for 6, and I put, well, not 6. Yeah, I bought it for like around 6 and change, 6 grand and change, and I put like 4 or 5 into it. So I'm literally like passing the threshold of 10-11 grand. And the reason why the tire light is on is because the sensor in that the rear passenger, the left rear passenger wheel, is that sensor is bad. I'm gonna replace that shortly. That's why that light is on. It keeps saying low tire, but the tire is not low. So yeah, that is basically it. Everything is working. The iDrive is working. No issues here. The maps, as you can see, the map works. I'm just zooming out, but I love the fact that you can zoom out this far, like all the way into space. Like you can literally see. Like, this is awesome. But I love literally I love BMW maps. Like, this map is so awesome. I'm telling you, I need to upgrade to the 2021 version, but this is almost like, it's like Google Map. It's almost as good as Google Map. Like, and like when you're navigating, you get like the turn by turn navigation thing in the heads-up display. Okay, let me just do something here real quick. Let me put in a destination. Let me just put in a destination. I just said this one, right? Start guidance. And as you can see,
follow the road for 1 mile.
You know, it's not really flickering. It's just, you know, the way it looks on camera. But I love the fact that you get that in the heads-up display, which is fun. It's pretty good. Another problem I was having before was the speedometer wasn't working. Now everything works. The digital gauge, analog gauge, whatever, they work. Everything works just fine. Haven't noticed any issue with the car. So yeah, haven't noticed anything. The mirrors, the sunroof works. You know, just, I don't have anything else to show, but stay tuned. I'm gonna have more video, more stuff coming up about this car. Again, my plan is to not keep the car. I'm gonna sell it. The plan is to sell the car, make a profit, get more cars, more content on the channel. That is where my head is at. That is what my plan is. You know, God willing, everything is gonna go just fine. But that is my plan. I don't plan to keep this car long term, because it's not just because it gets expensive. It is expensive. It's a luxury car and it's expensive, and the parts are expensive. But again, I can't just focus on one car. You know, when I'm trying to create content for the people watching, and for my own pleasure and enjoyment, you know, because I enjoy this. I really do enjoy this. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't enjoy it in any sense or any bit. I enjoy doing this. This is not to brag or boast. You know, it gives me something to do as a hobby, and it's also you know, it's a hobby and something I enjoy doing. You know, I don't know if I look at it as a career path. You know, I do want to buy and sell cars. I do want to own maybe a dealership, something, you know, along that line. Business wise, but again, you know, I leave everything in God's hands. I continue to pray and trust God and just continue to work hard towards what I want, and God willing, I will get there. So that is it for this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.